Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to our first handwriting video of this week. Let's have a little recap of some of the capital letter we know already. Are we ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Well done. I wonder if you can tell Miss Brown what capital letter comes next. That's right, it's Q. 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 And the sound that matches the capital letter Q is Qu. Now we know that as a special friend, but actually on its own it makes the sound Qu as well. So what we're going to do is have a go at writing our capital letter and writing our small letter, our sound as well. Now they're quite different, so I need magnet eyes and children paying close attention. So our capital Q starts off like a capital O, all around the orange. It's a big circle, right from the top to the bottom of the lines. But what makes it special is it has a little side line through the O. So let's have a go at you writing it. All around the orange, and then a line through the O, and that makes a capital Q. Q. Let's have a go at writing it on the board. Are we ready? Magnet eyes. Okay. All around the orange. So it looks like that to start with. It looks like an O. But what we do is on this side, we do a little line. Now the line reaches the bottom of our bottom line. Can you see that? It doesn't go all the way through our O. It goes just about half a finger into the O and then down to the line. Watch Miss Brown again. All around the orange. I've done my O. Now to make it a Q, half a finger down to the line. Can you see that? Good job. Now I would like you to do a full line of your Qs, okay? Now, Miss Brown's going to have a go at writing the sound Qu. Now, who can remember what the rhyme is for this letter? Qu, qu, qu. It's a bouncy sound. How do we write it? Oh. Round her head, up, past her earrings and down her hair. Try again. Remember, it looks like this. So we go round her hair, down past her earrings and her hair. And a little flick on the end. Round her head, up past her earrings and down her hair. Now, where we start this is on our middle line. And our Qu is a descending letter again. We've practiced quite a few of those already. A descending letter means it goes down past the bottom line. So here we go. We start here. We go round her head all the way down to the bottom of the line, up past her earrings. Then we go down her hair in a little flick. Can you see that? It's like a back to front P with a flick. Let's try that again. Round her head, up past her earrings, and down her hair. You might need a few practices of that one because it is a little bit tricky. But remember, qu is descending, and that means it goes down past the bottom line into the next one. Okay? And you can see they look very, very different as well. Okay, Miss Brown's going to do one more, and she's going to show you them together, doing a capital letter and the small letter. Are we ready? Let's do our capital Q first. So remember, it looks a little bit like a O, but then we have to do the dash to make it special into our Q. All around the orange, from the top of the line to the bottom of the line, and then about half a finger onto my bottom line. Now watch how my line doesn't go all the way down. That doesn't go into the next line. That's not a descending letter. It sits on the bottom line. Then we're going to have a go at our qu. Can you remember the line to help the rhyme to help Miss Brown? Round her head, up past her earrings, and down her hair. You can see how different a Q and a qu is. Now, remember your finger spaces in between each one as well. Miss Brown's not done very well at that today, but I had to condense it, I had to squeeze it all in so that you could see it on the whiteboard. I would like you to do a full line of your capital Q and a full line of your small letter qu, and then a full line of them both together to show. Okay? Well done, boys and girls. We have learnt to write the capital letter Q and practice writing the letter qu as well. Give yourself a fantastic. Well done, boys and girls.